Hi guys, today we are going to talk about a Jupyter notebook I use to visualize Azure network infrastructure. To work with Azure and to make a network graph, we use PowerShell. To visualize the graph, we use T3JS, a rich JavaScript library for data visualization. Let's quickly go through the notebook. First, we'll load some modules. One of them is a PS Quick Graph module we use to build a graph. Then we need to load some JavaScript elements related to D3JS. Then we initialize the graph, pull up VNet and network card information, and then we need to populate the graph with this information. So we parse through VNet information and put them into the graph as vertices. Then we add nicks to the graph. And then we need to convert the graph so it can be consumed by D3JS. So we do some calculations here, some calculations here. Here we prepare a list of links between nodes. And then we need to prepare canvas and build visualization. So let's run a few elements here. Let's load D3JS. Data has been already populated. So we can run this one and this one. And here we are, we have a graph. So let's make it a little bit smaller. So on the graph, you see these little orange nodes, which are VNets. So when you click at some node, it highlights the neighboring ones. So you can see where it's connected to. The yellow ones are subnets, the reddish ones are private endpoints and virtual machine network cards. On the side, we have a sidebar which helps to find some nodes. So if we point at it, it highlights the node that we point at. We can also do filtering, which helps us to find the node that we are looking for. For example, this one. We can click at it and see all the neighbors. And this is all for now. Thanks for watching.